Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we have another special phone. Today we got OnePlus 7 Pro, the new phone from OnePlus, which should be one of the fastest phone ever from this company. I remember my first phone from OnePlus, which was OnePlus 5T. It's been a very fast phone at that time, and I was amazed of that camera and how fast it can unlock a phone. So today we're just gonna unbox this phone, and I just have to say the box, it's quite heavy. I think I never seen a box to be heavy than this one from OnePlus. And I just have to say also the phone is coming from China, and it's coming in version of 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Also, the phone doesn't support micro SD, so this is all we got in the phone. So I don't know what do they write on Chinese here, so we're just gonna open the box. Only the phone itself, its weight 206 grams, so it's quite a heavy phone, and we'll see why. Okay, so this is the box. The phone just arrived from China, so the price was a bit cheaper than the European price, and that's why I choose China for buying this phone. Okay, just gonna open the box quick. Let's see what we got here. So this is the box of OnePlus 7 Model Pro. Okay, probably we got a case like usual from OnePlus 7. It does say open here, but I don't want to open yet. We got probably the SIM. No, this is the key to open the SIM tray, and any other little box in Chinese, of course, which I don't know Chinese. So okay, this is a silicone case. It's a hard silicone case. I like it. So this is the phone. This is the black version of the phone. So what else we got in the box right here? Yeah, we got the charger, which is an probably US charger. It's coming in Chinese also, so I don't know what they write over there. And probably here would be, yeah, will be the cable, so we can attach to the charger, and probably I have to buy another adapter to charge this phone. Well, so that's it, not too much in the box. And let's move this away, and let's see the phone now. Wow, yeah, it's a heavy phone also. Wow, I like it. Look how shiny is it. It's glass all over, front and back, and edge to edge screen all over. Okay, so just let's start the phone. Okay, we got the Motorized pop-up camera. It's a 16 megapixel camera right here. And what else we got on the phone to block and unblock the phone? Probably here also is for the sound, vibrate. Yeah, I remember from OnePlus 5T. The power button right here. We got the volume for up and down, and right here also we got the USB Type-C charger, and seems to have a speaker right here, the speaker grill, and we should have another one right here on the top. So we got dual speakers on this phone. Also is charging up to 30 watts. They call it warp charge, so we should charge this phone very fast. And the SIM tray, it's right here on the bottom. Strange, I never see a SIM tray on the bottom here. So it's a dual SIM. We don't have expandable storage for this phone. And let's have a look. Wow, looks amazing. It's all screen all over, edge to edge. I can see, you can see it here. yeah, it's like on a Samsung. Be interesting to put this side to side with Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, let's start. Let's have a look. Agree here. Let's agree these terms. Be their condition, push notification, connect to a mobile network. Not now. Skip for the moment. Continue. Date and time. Let's set the date and time at the moment. Okay, so the time is set now, and I can see how fluid, how smooth is this screen. I know it's coming with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes this phone to be so smooth and fluid. Also, saying fluid, the screen, the display, it's an Fluid AMOLED, so they call this like fluid. Well, the Samsung call this dynamic AMOLED, they call it Fluid AMOLED. Well, they can call it like they want to. It's their phone. Okay, how to use the fingerprint. Okay, let's set up the fingerprint now, and let's see how fast it's gonna be. Choose your backup screen lock method. Okay, let's choose a random number. Okay, and let's just record our fingerprint. I know it's an optical fingerprint. Optic. Next. Be an interesting test against Galaxy S10 Plus on a fingerprint. And that's it. Okay, once we finish, okay, screen off, just turn on, flash light, double tap to wake up, open camera, draw an O on the screen. I don't want this at the moment. Okay, and now we can set up our colors on the screen, like a vivid, natural, advanced. So we can move on AMOLED, white, gamut. Wow, lots of options right here, natural or vivid. Let's leave it on vivid at the moment. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. Roboto. Oh, changing the font. Oh, so you can change the font right here. Okay, next. And yeah, we are on the front face of this beautiful phone. Look at this screen, it looks amazing. On this edge panel right here. Wow, let's have a look. Look how fast it's looking. It looks so not natural but fast. And it's saying that updates are ready. Not at the moment. Okay, let's go to the settings and let's swipe this down a bit, but we don't have anything because the phone is quite clean. It's running Android 9 Pie, which is clean Android on this phone at this moment. Welcome to parking location, not now. Okay, wow, look how fluid is it. I know we can change from the settings if we want to keep that 90 Hz refresh rate, or we can move it on 60 refresh rate, because from what I've seen on the internet, that 90 Hz screen refresh is gonna drain the battery quicker. But we're just gonna leave on 90 to see how this phone is moving, how fast it's moving. We can see right here the phone is coming with an Snapdragon 855 storage. We got 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, so no micro SD for this phone. Okay, we got the setup of 3 camera on the back. So we got a 48 megapixel camera plus an 16 megapixel ultra wide camera and an 8 megapixel here, and they say it's a 3 times zoom, but everybody's saying they lied a bit and it's just 2.2 times zoom, and that 0.8 it's like a digital zoom. So they lied a bit. I don't know, but we'll see on a photo video test. So we got the OnePlus 7 Pro verification, Android version 9, and it's running the Oxygen OS, and the model is GM1910. Okay, so this is the phone, and now let's see that camera that everybody's talking about. Okay, so this is the main camera. We are on the triple camera right here, so we can switch between normal, ultra wide, or the telephoto camera. It does say 3 times zoom here. Well, just read it, just 2.2 times zoom, but we have to believe them, yeah. Okay, let's move up, swipe up. Nightscape. Okay, we got the nightscape feature right here. We got the pro mode, panorama, slow motion, and let's move on to settings. Ultra wide lens correction, manual HDR, store location data, shutter sound, no, mirror photos, no, histogram, horizontal, and that's it. Okay, let's move on to photos. Let's go back on the settings, and I don't know where it doesn't let me to choose. Okay, we are on 4K right here, so we can choose here between full HD on 60 frames per second, just full HD here, or 4K, or even 4K on 16 frames per second. Okay, let's leave it on 4K at the moment. And moving on photo, let's see that motorized camera. Wow, looks so nice. Interesting. When the camera pop up, it's a light right here. Have a look. See? And also they said, so if you drop this phone while the camera it's still here, this camera would be able to pop up back in the phone, so this is not gonna affect the phone. You can push even the camera back on the phone. To protect the front camera, please avoid pressing it manually, so the phone recognize that I just press the camera with my finger, which is not good. Also, a new feature on this phone is the storage and the UFS 3.0, which is a new technology. I know Samsung got this technology, but they didn't put it on their Samsung, which increased the read and write speed with up to 79-80%. Also, a new feature on this phone is the liquid cooling system, and this keeps your phone cool even if you're playing games, even when you're playing games while charging the phone. So with this phone will be no problem about getting very hot because it's got this liquid cooling system inside. So yeah, you can play games all day long even while you charge the phone to this port, and we'll see how fast that adapter can charge this phone. Probably in 1 hour. I did read in 1 hour and 10 minutes. The fastest I seen on the phone was on Xiaomi Mi 9 in just 1 hour and probably 1 minute. So it's been quite fast. And I have to say that the main feature, not the main feature, I quite like this screen. It's amazing, and that 90 Hz refresh rate, it makes this phone to look so fast, to feel fast. I mean, we'll see in time if it's draining the battery, that 90 Hz refresh screen, and we can always put it back on a 60 Hz refresh rate like on Galaxy S10 Plus, and we're gonna put this phone side to side to Galaxy S10 Plus, and we're gonna do that fingerprint test, which we didn't, we just registered, but so we have to press. Whoa, oh, it's so fast. Look at this. I almost touched the screen, look, and it's already opened. Yeah, this is what I like on a phone. You don't have to stay like here with your finger and waiting to unlock your phone. It have to be quick, it have to be faster. It have to be fast, yeah. You know, we got this problem with the Galaxy 50. The fingerprint is not that fast like everybody would like to be. So yeah, this optic sensor, it's quite fast and I like it. So this is just an unboxing of this phone, and I'll be back in the next few days with another videos. We're gonna do some comparison, we're gonna do some video test, speed test, fingerprint test. Also, if you want any test with this phone and Galaxy S10 Plus, or even with Galaxy A50, just leave a comment on the section. And also, you can help this channel, you can support this channel by hitting the like button, give it a share to this video and any other videos from my channel, subscribe and turn that notification on. And being said, I just want to say thank you for watching this, and until next time, peace.